moyen cinéma. So today, I want to take you on the Vauban Walk. Now, the Vauban Walk is named after Sebastian Vauban, who was the military engineer who designed much of Luxembourg City's epic fortress. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today, the remnants of Luxembourg City's epic fortress. So let's head that way. So the Vauban Walk is about 4.5 kilometers long. It takes about 3 hours to complete. Now keep in mind that there are some steep stairways and narrow parts that aren't really passable for wheelchairs or strollers. So these towers were built as part of this wall here to link the fort that's up there, that's the upper city, through those trees, the Obergronevault forts, which are up there. So these are the remains of Fort Niedergrunwald, basically the lower fort, and Fort Obergronevault is going to be that way. Thankfully, almost this whole walk is really, really well marked. So this is the remains of Fort Obergronevault, which today is a vast park with some of the most amazing and spectacular views of the city. And it's just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the old Fort Tungen, which these days is Muesli Dry Ischelen. All right, so we are just about done with the Vauban Walk. All we have to do is head back up there towards the bar. So keep in mind that the Luxembourg City Tourist Office offers guided tours of the Vauban Walk. And if you're interested in one of those, just go to luxembourg-city.com or just stop in at the Luxembourg City Tourist Office. Till next time, Addy Chow. Tip top.